Welcome back to MJ's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to enable 60-second Reels on Instagram. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Instagram, click the Create option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Enabling the 60-second Reels on Instagram offers a lot of advantages and opportunities for creators and users because number one, with a 60-second Reels, creators may have more time to showcase their creativity, tell a story, or share detailed tutorials like us. That's what we do. Compared to the standard 30-second limit, this allows for more comprehensive and engaging content. Alright, so how do we do it? Well, the first thing is, now, once you are on the Instagram app on your mobile device, I need you to hover to the plus icon beside the three horizontal lines on the upper right corner. You see there's the thread symbol icon. Click on the plus icon there. And click on Reel. Now, the idea is if you wanted to enable the 60 seconds, just create the reel first and hover to the left side panel where you can see the 15. That's gonna be the length. All right, you can opt to 15, 30, 60 seconds. As you can see, it's 60 seconds. If you wanted more, you can of course choose the 90 seconds. Before the update, they don't have the 90 seconds. You're limited to 15 and 30 and 60, but now Instagram had created a 90 seconds if you wanted to curate your reel or story here in the Instagram app. And again, just hover here at the left side panel. If you wanted to have a longer video for your reel, just select the 90. But of course, for this video, we're just going to select the 60 seconds. All right. Now, for influencers and brands, longer reels can provide more opportunities for product placements, collaborations, and sponsored content. The extended format allows for more seamless integration of promotional messages without compromising on content quality, because longer reels can contribute to higher viewer retention rates as audiences are more likely to stay engaged throughout the entire video, especially when the content is compelling and well crafted. And of course, enabling 60 seconds reels encourages creators to experiment with different video editing techniques, transitions, and effects, fostering innovation and creativity within the Instagram community. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.